Numbers surround us. They are an integral part of our daily lives, often unnoticed yet always present. They mark the passage of time from the ticking of a clock to the changing of seasons. Numbers quantify our world, giving structure to the chaos. But numbers hold a deeper significance. Beyond their practical uses, they possess a hidden energy, a language waiting to be understood. This language of numbers is ancient and profound. It has been studied by mathematicians, philosophers, and mystics alike. They have sought to uncover the secrets that numbers hold. Like the stars in the night sky, numbers guide us. They offer insights into our lives, revealing patterns and connections that might otherwise go unnoticed. We encounter numbers daily, in countless forms. From the prices we pay to the distances we travel, numbers are a constant companion. Birthdays, addresses, phone numbers, all these have a numerical value. These values are not arbitrary. They carry vibrations that influence our experiences. Consider your phone number. It's a unique combination of digits, each with its own significance. This combination creates a specific energy. This energy can subtly impact your communication, affecting the way you connect with others. The universe speaks to us in many ways. Numbers are one of its most powerful languages. By learning to decipher this language, we unlock a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Numbers can reveal hidden truths about our personalities, our destinies, and our relationships. They can guide us in making important decisions and help us navigate the complexities of life. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and numbers are one of the keys to unlocking its secrets. They are a bridge between the physical and the metaphysical, connecting us to the greater cosmos. In ancient times, numbers were revered as sacred symbols. They were used in rituals and ceremonies believed to hold magical powers. Today we continue to explore their significance, seeking to understand their impact on our lives. By embracing the unseen language of numbers, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the world around us. We can learn to see the hidden patterns and connections that shape our reality. In doing so, we unlock a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. So the next time you encounter a number, take a moment to consider its significance. Reflect on the energy it carries and the message it might hold. You may be surprised by the insights you discover. Numbers are more than just symbols on a page. They are a language of the universe, a tool for understanding the mysteries of existence. Embrace this language and let it guide you on your journey through life. The unseen language of numbers is all around us, waiting to be discovered. Open your mind to its possibilities, and you will find a world of wonder and wisdom. Numbers are the threads that weave the fabric of our reality. By understanding their language, we can unlock the secrets of the universe and our own inner selves. Embrace the power of numbers and let them guide you to a deeper understanding of the world and your place within it. Everything in the universe vibrates. This includes numbers. Each number carries a unique frequency. This frequency resonates with specific energies. These energies can influence our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Think of a musical instrument. Each note has a distinct vibration. These vibrations create harmonies and dissonances. Numbers operate similarly. They create energetic patterns that shape our realities. Some numbers resonate with positive energy. They attract abundance, joy, and love. Others carry a heavier vibration associated with challenges and obstacles. Understanding these energetic nuances empowers us to make conscious choices. We can align ourselves with numbers that support our growth and well-being. Across cultures and spiritual traditions, certain numbers hold sacred significance. These numbers appear repeatedly in religious texts. They are woven into the fabric of ancient wisdom. The Quran, for example, places special emphasis on specific numbers. These numbers convey deeper meanings. They reveal hidden truths about the universe and our place within it. The number 7, for instance, is often associated with divine completion. There are 7 heavens in Islamic cosmology. The Quran was revealed over a period of 7 years. These numerical patterns are not mere coincidence. They are whispers from the divine. They invite us to explore the mysteries of creation. The number 4 holds a powerful significance in many traditions. It represents stability, foundation, and the physical world. This symbolism is rooted in the natural world. Think of the 4 directions: north, south, east, and west. These directions provide a framework for navigation. They ground us in our physical reality. The 4 seasons, spring, summer, autumn, winter, mark the cyclical nature of time. They remind us of the constant ebb and flow of life. In Islamic tradition, the number 4 also holds deep meaning. There are 4 major archangels. These archangels act as messengers between God and humanity. Section 5, 40 Days, a journey of transformation. The number 40 holds a unique place in spiritual traditions. Across various cultures and religions, this number often symbolizes a significant period of time that brings about profound change and growth. It often signifies a period of transformation, a journey that tests the limits of one's endurance and faith. This period can be one of testing, purification, or spiritual growth. It is a time when individuals are called to look inward, to confront their deepest fears and desires, and to emerge stronger and more enlightened. In the Bible, we encounter the story of Noah's Ark. Noah was tasked with building an ark to save his family and 2 of every kind of animal from a great flood. The flood lasted for 40 days and 40 nights, cleansing the earth and ushering in a new era. This story is a powerful metaphor for the trials and tribulations we face in life, and the hope and renewal that follow. Moses spent 40 days and 40 nights on Mount Sinai, receiving the 10 Commandments. During this time, he was in deep communion with the divine, receiving guidance and wisdom that would shape the future of his people. This period of isolation transformed him into a prophet, a leader who would guide his people through the wilderness and into the promised land. The 40-day period invites us to embark on our own inner journeys. It is a time for reflection, introspection, and letting go of old patterns. It is an opportunity to reconnect with our true selves, to find clarity and purpose, and to set new intentions for the future. Whether through meditation, prayer, or simply spending time in nature, these 40 days can be a transformative experience. As we journey through this period, we may encounter challenges and obstacles, but these are all part of the process. They help us to grow, to learn, and to become more resilient. In the end, the journey of transformation is not just about reaching a destination, but about the growth and change that occur along the way. It is about becoming the best version of ourselves and finding peace and fulfillment in the process. So as we embark on our own 40-day journeys, let us embrace the challenges and the opportunities for growth. Let us open our hearts and minds to the possibilities that lie ahead and trust in the process of transformation. Section 6. Numbers in action guiding our decisions. Numbers can guide our decisions, both big and small. They are not just abstract concepts confined to mathematics or finance. They permeate every aspect of our lives. From the moment we wake up and check the time, to the calories we count in our meals, numbers are constantly influencing our choices. They can provide clarity and direction when we feel lost or uncertain. Numbers can act as a compass, pointing us towards the right path when we are at a crossroads. They can help us quantify our options and make more informed decisions. Imagine you're facing a difficult choice. It could be anything from deciding on a career change, choosing a new place to live, or even something as simple as picking a route for your morning jog. You've weighed the pros and cons, but you're still unsure which path to take. This is a common scenario where numbers can play a crucial role. They can offer a different perspective, one that is grounded in logic and reason. In such moments, pay attention to the numbers that appear in your life. These numbers are not random. They can carry significant meaning and offer guidance. Perhaps you keep seeing the number 11. This number is often associated with intuition and spiritual awakening. It might be a sign that you need to listen to your inner voice and trust your instincts. The number 11 is often associated with intuition and spiritual awakening. It encourages you to look within and find the answers that are already there, waiting to be discovered. This could be a sign to trust your gut feeling. When you see the number 11, it might be a reminder that you have the wisdom and insight needed to make the right decision. Or maybe you're drawn to the number 8. This number is often linked to abundance, success, and the infinite possibilities that life has to offer. 8 symbolizes abundance and success. It can be a powerful motivator, pushing you to pursue your goals with confidence and determination. This could be a nudge to pursue a new opportunity that aligns with your goals. When you see the number 8, it might be a sign that you are on the right track and that success is within your reach. So the next time you find yourself at a crossroads, take a moment to notice the numbers around you. They might just be the guide you need to make the best decision. Section 7. Finding meaning in numerical patterns. Pay attention to recurring numbers in your life. These numbers often carry messages. They may appear in dreams, on clocks, or in everyday encounters. These synchronicities are not mere coincidences. They are the universe's way of getting our attention. Perhaps you keep encountering the number 3. 3 is often associated with creativity and self-expression. This could be a sign to explore your artistic side, or maybe you're drawn to the number 22. 22 is a master number signifying ambition and the ability to manifest your dreams. This could be a reminder of your potential to achieve great things. Section 8, embracing the wisdom of numbers. Numbers are powerful tools. They can help us navigate the complexities of life. By understanding their energetic significance, we can make more informed choices. Embrace the wisdom of numbers. Pay attention to the numerical patterns that emerge in your life. Trust your intuition when a particular number calls to you. Remember, the universe speaks to us in many ways. Numbers are one of its most profound languages. By learning to listen, we open ourselves to a world of possibilities. Section 9, conclusion, living in harmony with the numerical universe. We live in a numerical universe. Numbers are the building blocks of reality. They shape our experiences in countless ways. By understanding the energy and significance of numbers, we can live in greater harmony with the cosmos. We can align ourselves with the vibrations that support our growth and well-being. As we journey through life, let us remember the hidden language of numbers. Let us listen to the whispers of the divine that echo through these sacred symbols.